Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss part 1 of the pair of words from CC's English paper of the year 1978. So let's start. Affection and affectation. Affection refers to a feeling of liking or love, often expressed through warmth, fondness or care. Affection से मुराद पसंदीदगी या मोहब्बत का एहसास होता है जिसका इजहार अक्सर गर्मजोशी, प्यार या देखभाल के ज़रिए होता है. Its synonyms are love, fondness, attachment, warmth, and tenderness. Example sentences: Sarah showed great affection for her younger brother, always looking out for him and offering support. Affectation. Affectation refers to behavior, speech, or mannerism that are artificial, pretentious, or adopted to impress others. यानी इससे मुराद वो तर्ज अमल या तकरीर है जो मसनूई, दिखावा या दूसरों को मुतासिर करने के लिए अपनाया जाता है. Its synonyms are pretense, artificiality, pretentiousness, pose and mannerism. Example sentences: His use of elaborate vocabulary and affected accent was seen as an affectation rather than a genuine expression of his personality. Urban and urbane. Urban means relating to or characteristic of a city or town, associated with urban areas or city life. यानी अर्बन का मतलब किसी शहर या कस्बे से मुतालिक शहरी इलाकों या शहरी ज़िंदगी से वाबस्ता. Its synonyms are city, metropolitan, civic, town, municipal. Example sentences: The urban landscape was filled with skyscrapers, bustling streets, and a constant hum of activity. Urbane. Urbane means polite, refined, and sophisticated in manner, having the smooth manners associated with city life. Urbane से मुराद शाइस्ता, बेहतर और अंदाज में नफीस यानी शहर की ज़िंदगी से मुंसलिक आदाब का होना. Its synonyms are suave, polished, courteous, elegant, and cultured. Example sentences: Despite the challenging situation, he remained urbane, offering a gracious smile and a word of encouragement to everyone around him. Official and officious. Official means pertaining to an authority or public office, recognized or authorized by a formal authority. ऑफिशियल से मुराद किसी अथॉरिटी या अवामी दफ्तर से मुतालिक होना है या बाज़ाब्ता अथॉरिटी के ज़रिए तस्लीम शुदा या मजाज. इट्स सिनोनिम्स आर फॉर्मल, अथॉराइज्ड, लेजिटिमेट एंड सैंक्शन्ड. एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस: द प्रेसिडेंट्स ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग द न्यू पॉलिसी विल बी रिलीज्ड टुमारो. ऑफिशियस. इट मीन्स इंट्रूसिवली enthusiastic in offering help or advice, excessively eager to assist, often in an annoying or interfering manner. इससे मुराद मदद या मशवरा पेश करने में मुदाखलत के साथ पुरजोश या अक्सर परेशानकुन या मुदाखलत करने वाले अंदाज में ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा किसी की मदद करने के लिए बेचैन होना है. Its synonyms are meddlesome, intrusive, pushy and overzealous. Example sentences: The officious neighbor insisted on organizing the community event even though others had already volunteered to take charge. Beside and besides. Beside is a preposition indicating the proximity or next to something or someone. यानी beside एक preposition है जो कि क़ुर्बत के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है या किसी चीज़ से आगे का इशारा करता है. Its synonyms are next to, by, alongside, close to. Example sentences: She sat beside her best friend during the movie, sharing popcorn and laughter. Besides. Besides is an adverb that means in addition to or apart from what has been mentioned. Besides एक मुतालिक फ़ेल है जिसका मतलब है इसके अलावा, यानी जो ऑलरेडी बयान किया गया है तो इसके अलावा या इसके साथ. Its synonyms are moreover, furthermore, in addition, also, additionally. Example sentences: Besides studying for the exam, he had to complete a project for his art class. Casual and causal. Casual refers to something relaxed, informal or not formal. यानी इससे मुराद पुरसकून या गैर रस्मी अंदाज या रवैया है. Its synonyms are informal, relaxed, laid back, unceremonious and easygoing. Example sentences: in the casual atmosphere of beach party, guests wore flip-flops and enjoyed the evening without any formalities. Causal. It pertains to the relationship between the cause and effect, indicating that one thing is the cause of another. यानी इससे मुराद वजह और असर के दरमियान ताल्लुक़ है. ये बताता है कि एक चीज़ दूसरी चीज़ का सबब है. Its synonyms are causative, resulting, consequential, contributing and inducing. Example sentences: the scientists conducted experiments to determine the causal factors behind the sudden increase in temperature in the region. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.